Let's understand the user roles in PipetteX and then see how they can be created. In PipetteX, user roles are essential for managing permissions and access rights. They determine what actions users can perform and which features and functionalities they can access. For instance, an admin has full access, while a lab manager has specific permissions. Begin by navigating to the User Management tab and then select User Roles. In PipetteX, you will see several default user roles available, such as Admin, Service Administrator, Lab Manager, Senior Researcher, and Researcher. Each of these roles is designed to meet various operational needs. If none of these fit your organization perfectly, don't worry, you can create custom roles that better suit your requirements. Before we start how to create a role, here are some important points to remember. 1. Only admins add or modify user roles. 2. The default roles are fixed and unchangeable. 3. You cannot inherit a role from a new user role that you create. To create a new user role, simply click the plus button on your screen. PipetteX offers very flexible user role settings that allow you to add or remove specific actions. This gives you the option to customize roles according to your organization's needs. For convenience, you can derive a new user role from one of the existing standard roles in PipetteX, where admin has the highest access, followed by Service Administrator, Lab Manager, Senior Researcher, and lastly Researcher. Let's walk through an example. I'm going to create a new role called Trainee with the lowest permission. To do this, I will inherit permissions from the Researcher role, as it has the lowest level of access among the default roles. Please note, you can only downgrade the permissions of the inherited role. Once you select the desired role to inherit from, you can view the permissions for each section of the application. Just click on the relevant row in the grid under View Settings. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the corresponding actions in Field Settings. This information will help you understand what permissions are associated with the role. Make any necessary edits and then save your changes. Once created, you can then assign this new role to your users. To do this, go back to User Management and select User. Next, click on the plus icon. If the user is available in Active Directory, you can easily search for their name. If the user is not in Active Directory, you can manually enter the user ID. Then, assign the user the role you just created. Provide an initial temporary password. The user will be required to change this password during their first access, and enter the first name and last name. The rest of the information is optional. Once you've filled in the required details, click Save. Now, you'll see that the user role has been successfully assigned to the new user. And that's it. You now know how to add and manage user roles in PipetteX. Thank you for watching.